Today, I'll show you how to replace the keypad of your new Holland TS instrument panel yourself. Important before starting: briefly ground yourself, for example, by touching a radiator. Now remove all screws from the back. Then open the housing. Loosen the screws of the cover. Now carefully disconnect the ribbon cable of the old membrane keypad. Make sure the connector contacts do not bend. Pull the ribbon cable through the opening. Then remove the front cover. Now remove the old membrane keypad. A flat screwdriver or plastic scraper works best. After that, carefully remove all adhesive residue. Now carefully peel off the adhesive backing of the new membrane keypad. Do not bend the keypad while doing so. Guide the ribbon cable through the opening. Then attach the new membrane keypad. Now reinstall the cover. Reconnect the ribbon cable to the circuit board. Important: one pin remains unused. Make sure the alignment is correct. Finally, close the instrument panel again. Tighten the screws only hand tight. Done. The membrane keypad has been successfully replaced.